The next step together is to determine the value of your house based on today's market conditions. Fair market value is a term you may have heard. Fair market value is a price that a ready, willing, and able buyer is willing to pay and a seller is willing to accept. The reason it is so important that we accurately project fair market value is because if we end up pricing too far away from fair market value, your house won't sell. Let's discuss how we can accurately project what fair market value will be for your house. Most companies use one tool to determine value, the competitive market analysis. At Erie Mountview Properties, we will use three methods: the competitive market analysis, pricing analysis grid, and absorption rate. We feel a CMA does not factor in inventory levels, which are critical to value as well as pricing strategy. The benefit to you is the comfort you have knowing we use the best methods to determine the value of your house. The fourth instrument, the home appraisal, will be used by the buyer in conjunction with the bank to secure their mortgage. Since it is so important to accurately determine fair market value, let's take a moment to explain each one. Agents and companies have been using the competitive market analysis for some time. What they look at is the recent data on houses that have sold and failed to sell. This will help understand what the market is saying about the value of your house. We at Erie Mountview Properties then take the data from the CMA and create an ERA pricing analysis grid. This tool gives us a clear and compelling picture of what buyers are willing to pay in today's market, your competition, and most importantly, what failed to sell. We also need to take into consideration the absorption rate. This is a critical number that helps determine the expected marketing time and calculates where to position your house in the marketplace in terms of price and condition to sell quickly. After we have put your house on the market and successfully secured a buyer, that buyer will most likely obtain a mortgage on the property. The mortgage company will require an appraisal where an independent third party will determine the value of the property. Appraisers are more cautious today about property values, comparable sales, and home condition issues. We have tools to make this challenging process smoother for our clients.